welcome back. Today I am here for showing my another unboxing video of this Dyson hair styler. I was lucky to score this item from the Sephora, so I thought it would be good to share with you what's inside. And this is not going to be the review video. I just wanted to share with you. Sometimes you don't really know from their website picture and photos what's actually inside, and you wanted to know about the detail before you purchase the item. So that's my idea to share with you this video for today. So this is the limited edition gift set version, and it comes with a travel pouch as well. So let's open the box. As you may all know, it is coming with a brown leather case. It looks very nice and luxurious. It has the magnetic closure, as you can see here. Let me just open the case. And inside, I'm not sure if you can tell, inside is very dark black lining, and this is the leather mat. It says non-slip mat, and here is some instructions, and here is the items inside, the barrels and brushes. So this is the base. Let me just unwrap this paper and we'll show you. So it looks like this, as the Dyson logo, and this is the power button, and this is the brush, one of the brush. And here we have the two brushes. Let me take a closer shot by each different brushes. And the other one looks like that. And now we have the barrels. This is I think these are the 1.6 inch Airwrap barrels, as you can see. And we have the 1.2 inch Airwrap barrels, which is smaller and thinner version of the Airwrap barrels. Let me compare the size side by side. This is the bigger one, this is the smaller one. And here we have the final item, which is the pre-styling dryer. And we have one more item here, and this is the cleansing brush for your filter. And it came with this bonus item, which is the pouch, travel pouch. So let me open the case. So here is the pouch. It's very smooth velvet type of fabric with the pink Dyson logos right here. And then let me just open. It's very well made, I think. You can store your items inside of here. And here is the pocket, another pocket right here. So I think it's really good to have, and convenience when you go for travel with your Dyson product. I like it. So here I have the barrels, and on this pocket I have a dryer, and on this side I put the base. And let me just close the case. Here it is. Now it's obviously very bulky, but I think it's very good to have this pouch. You can store and very secure, feels very luxurious and very smooth, this fabric. And I like the color combination with black and pink, very hot pink. So this is it. This is my quick overview of this Dyson complete version. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.